guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm using something from Blue Apron. The pimento cheeseburgers with roasted potatoes. Blue Apron is something that can deliver to your door that you can cook at home. And today I'm going to be doing one of the pimento cheeseburgers. So let's go ahead and get started. The first step is to chop and dice the onions. So if it'll let me. Put that wrong, but that's fine.
Oh, a finger!
Really?
By the way, that's a potato, not an onion.
I think we can tell the difference, cameraman.
Just saying.
Oh yeah, say hi to the cameraman in the comments below. And tell him to stop being so loud. And that you guys can know the difference between a potato and an onion. Those are the first ones. Stop it!
Oh, come on. Let's hurry up. We're already a minute 26 minutes into this and we still haven't just got one potato done. I'm hungry. Feed me.
You've been hungry for a long time. You can go a little longer.
Feed me.
We've been waiting for somebody to get home this whole time. Can you wait a little bit longer?
Okay.
How did I know it was going to be my fault?
Why is everyone blaming this on me?
We're not.
You're the chef, and besides that, everybody's blaming me.
Dad is.
It's the person off the camera. That one.
I'm just gonna stick with these two.
Oh, come on. Let's do the rest. Let's go. Come on.
Yep.
Feed me. Feed me.
Everybody in the comment section below, tell the cameraman to be quiet about him eating. He can wait. This is so weird.
And so make sure you let them know that you have the pan preheating in the oven.
I know.
By the way, you want to preheat your pan in the oven at 350 degrees.
450.
450 degrees. Sorry, I'm wrong. So it's not 350, it's 450. Right?
Yes.
Yes. 2 minutes and 52 seconds in,
I have to
and we're still chopping potatoes.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna have extras. Jeez.
No, I'm hungry. Won't have extra.
Everybody tell the cameraman to be quiet about so I can chop. Oh.
Preferably not a finger.
Exactly! So if you don't want me to lose a finger, then shut up.
Okay. Yes, dear.
Can somebody help me get all these in the oven?
No, in the bowl. In the bowl. In the bowl, Gigi.
They go in the bowl.
This feels weird.
Doesn't matter. They don't have to be perfect.
What's the next step? Where's the spice blend?
Right there in front of you by the pimento cheese. By the pimento.
I don't see it either, so.
Neither do I.
It says Midnight Spice Blend.
Here we go. Alright. Let's see.
Midnight Spice Blend.
It's one thing to talk off camera. Pause.
Action. And we're pouring.
Isabel?
What?
You got to tell them what you're doing.
What you doing?
I just seasoned the potatoes with the little olive oil, and now I'm about to season them with the salt and the pepper. And then I'm going to season with the this.
That.
nice. Where are the scissors?
Half the package.
Huh?
Half the package.
I know. But it's now.
We will pause for a brief intermission. Here we go. Scissors. Oh, a finger.
I'm not gonna lose a finger during this, Mr. Camera Boy.
Now I'm downgraded to camera boy instead of cameraman.
Exactly.
Such is my life.
What's
Just
that?
half?
Yes. Stir thoroughly. Yay. Can I just use my hands to stir it?
Yes? No?
Huh?
This is the instruction
This-
page, by the way. And this is a spoon. A wooden
With a hole-
spoon.
with a
Actually,
hole in-
probably a bamboo spoon with a hole in it. Kind of like the cameraman's head.
Yeah. Camera Boy.
Camera boy.
I think we put too many potatoes.
I think your bowl's too small.
Yeah. Can we get a bigger bowl?
Below you. Bigger bowl. Ah, bigger bowl. And we have a bigger, wow, big bowl. Big bowl.
Yeah. It's a really big bowl.
All right. We're gonna pour. Oh, I know what you can do. I know what you can do.
What?
You can cover, you can take that bowl and cover this bowl and then shake. Shake a baker. Bake a shaker.
This works too. I'm stirring. Okay, I was making sure those cut. You got them? Mm-hmm. Alright. Right, so those are all stirred nice and well. That's the next step. Alright, time to transfer
Transfer them to the
sheet pan.
preheated pan. Yep. And how long do they cook?
Let me see. 23 to 25 minutes.
Alright, I'm setting the timer for 23 minutes.
Alright.
All right.
Or until browned and tender, but
Brown and tender, 23 minutes. You know, you guys know the drill.
Alright,
All right.
that should be the end of this episode.
End of this episode. We will be right back after a brief intermission.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Episode 2 coming shortly.
Yep, literally. Episode 2 coming shortly. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.